Your degree is no longer the safest path, but the experience you have built just became your biggest asset, because IBM, Google, and Amazon now sell something universities cannot: credentials that hiring managers trust instantly, earned in months, not years. Companies are choosing certificate holders over degree holders and paying them more. And here is what nobody tells experienced professionals. In this race, your years of work are not baggage. They are the advantage these programs were built to unlock. So today, the 5 certifications from the 3 biggest names in tech, and which one fits the career you already built. Let's get into it. One rule first, because it changes how you watch this video. A certificate is a driver's license. It is not driving skill. A license lets you enter traffic, but it does not prove you can survive a hard road. Exams teach the machine and the rules. Control of the wheel only comes from the road. Employers check the license, but what they really ask is, can you deliver the vehicle on time and without damage? Here's the good news. Every year you have spent working is road experience already. These licenses just make it official. We start with IBM and a 6-figure job title most people have never heard of. IBM, AI Product Manager. Professional certificate AI product managers do not build the AI. They decide what it should do, they pick the problems worth solving, define how the system should behave, and translate between technical teams and business goals. Sound familiar? If you have ever run a project or led a meeting, you have already done a version of this job. Glassdoor shows entry-level AI product managers earning roughly $100,000 to $180,000 a year. The IBM certificate takes about 3 months part-time and covers AI fundamentals, managing AI-powered products, and working with technical teams. Zero coding. This is the single best conversion of management experience into an AI salary that exists right now. But IBM gives you 1 door. The next brand gives you 2, and it is the name every recruiter on earth recognizes. Google. Path 1. Data Analytics Professional Certificate. Google built its career certificate specifically for people without tech backgrounds. No degree required, no experience required. The Data Analytics Certificate is the flagship. Data analysts turn raw numbers into decisions, and every company drowning in AI-generated data needs more of them. You learn spreadsheets, SQL, data cleaning, and Tableau, and you finish with real projects to show, not just theory. On Coursera, it costs about $49 a month, and most people finish in 3 to 6 months. Career changers from accounting and administration have used it to land analyst roles in the $65,000 to $85,000 range. If you have ever built a serious Excel sheet, you are closer to this job than you think. And if analytics feels too quiet for you, Google's second path is where the explosive growth is. Google. Path 2. Cybersecurity Professional Certificate. Cybersecurity is one of the fastest growing fields in the world because every new AI system creates a new way to get attacked. Google's certificate covers threat detection, network security, Linux, SQL, and Python scripting, with hands-on labs in a simulated environment. Same price, same timeline, same 0 requirements. And here is the strategic part. It is designed as a direct pipeline to CompTIA Security Plus, the industry standard exam. So 1 certificate becomes 2 credentials, and security is the field where experience pays off fastest because it rewards exactly what years of work build: judgment, discipline, and risk thinking. Recruiters have a name for a risky profile: the paper tiger, the certificate collector, a resume full of impressive badges, but ask to see a project and there is nothing to show. If a certificate is not backed by a working project or a live demo, it is wall decoration. And you have seen the videos. Grab this 1 certificate, work from home, earn $3,000 to $5,000 a month instantly. Some of those creators even have doctor in front of their names. I respect the effort, but that math does not match the market. Nobody pays you thousands of dollars from your couch for downloading a PDF. Value comes from what you can do. Proof comes from what you have built. The license needs a road behind it. Keep that in mind because Amazon's first certificate is the easiest license on this list and the easiest one to mistake for a destination. Amazon. Path 1. AWS Certified AI Practitioner. This is Amazon's newest foundational certification, and it was built for people who use AI, not people who build it. The exam covers AI and machine learning concepts, generative AI, and how to apply them to real business problems on AWS. No coding required, and the numbers are striking. AWS research found employers willing to pay over 40% more for AI-skilled workers in sales, marketing, finance, and operations. If you want to stay in your current profession but stop fearing AI, this is your license. If you want a full career change with the biggest paycheck on this list, Amazon has one more door. Amazon. Path 2. AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate the Heavyweight. AWS is the largest cloud platform in the world, and this certification proves you can design secure, scalable, cost-efficient systems on it. Companies use it as a hard filter. Without it, many cloud roles will not even interview you. With it, Glassdoor reports entry-level solutions architects earning roughly $106,000 to $181,000. It demands weeks to months of preparation through AWS Skill Builder or Coursera. And remember the license rule. Pair it with real cloud projects because the certificate opens the door and the portfolio walks you through it. This is the climb. AI practitioner is Basecamp, solutions architect is the summit. So here is the map. IBM if you lead, Google if you are switching careers, Amazon if you want to upgrade your current job or aim for the biggest salary. 5 licenses, 3 brands the whole world trusts. They erase borders and unlock remote work. But remote means you compete with talent from every country on Earth. The winning formula is simple. Certificate plus project equals job. Position yourself not as someone who passed an exam, but as a professional who solves problems with technology. Pick one license. Start this week. Build one small project, share it on LinkedIn, and let the proof speak. Your experience is the road. The certificate is just the license. And there are powerful certifications outside these 3 giants too. That is the next video, so subscribe, because the winners of this transition are not the smartest. They are the ones who move first.